So part number 4, asking non-Jew to light the fire. In case of the need, it is permitted to ask a non-Jew to create a new fire, such as striking match, so long as it is for the Yom Tov purpose. This includes any of the affirmation purposes, such as cooking, illumination, etc. For example, if one has no light by which to eat or learn on Yom Tov, he may ask non-Jew to turn the light on. So let's do it again, and we're going to explain. So with this non-Jew. So basically, you will be allowed to ask them in a straightforward manner to light the candle, to do things for you, whatever is needed for Yom Tov. So one more time, in a case of a need, it is permitted to ask non-Jew to create a new fire. So even to turn on any conditioner, to turn on light, so it does not matter, all of these things, right? Such as to strike match, so long as it is for a Yom Tov purpose. Okay, this includes any of the affirmation purposes, right? So if it's for Yom Tov, no problem. Such as cooking. So cooking, of course, it's the main one. Illumination, so he can turn on light for you, right, etc. Of course, your side candle and others. For example, if one has no light by which to eat or learn on Yom Tov, he may ask non-Jew to turn on the light. Okay, no problem. Any questions on what you said? Or we continue with the next section.
Rabbi?
Yes, go ahead.
We're allowed to ask a non-Jew to turn off the fire?
To turn off, I don't think so, because it's not for Yom Tov need. You understand? So it's like let it burn. To turn on, yes, but turn off, no. I mean, for an example would be, for example, if you have a heat, you have some kind of heat and it's too hot, right? It's too hot, like in the show where I go, sometimes, I don't know, like these programmers, genius programmers, they set up heat to go 84. Like, and okay, maybe on a regular day, if the system turns on like half an hour before we come, or even 1 hour, I don't know the schedule. I'm not the programmer of these things, right? Maybe 84 is normal, because but by the time we get there, so it's not going to be 84, it's going to be in 70s. Okay, it's normal, basically normal. But on Shabbos 84, when you have like extended prayers, it's like too much. And sometimes they would ask this non-Jew who is working there to turn off, right? Because we cannot handle it. So in this case, yeah, we would be allowed because it's for Yom Tov needs, but otherwise, no. Or air conditioner where it's too cold also. Okay. Anything else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So what if it's with the intent of, like, I don't know, trying to provoke an accident? Say we have like a broken gas stovetop, and it's like, I don't know, like burning a lot of gas, and it may be dangerous. Are we allowed to ask this non-Jew to turn it off?
I think so, yes. If it's a real danger, like, then yeah. Okay. Okay, well, yeah, you're welcome.
Next question, Shalom Kovov. Thank you for the Shiur. Question: would a non-Jew who turns off the appliances for Jews get married for doing this for them?
Okay. I mean, if he's doing what is allowed, for example, as we said before, in all the generation there was like such a non-Jew as Shabbos Goy. So Shabbos Goy, this special non-Jew, would go like in the winter from house to house, and start the stoves for them. Yeah, the oven, like they had they used to build the houses in many places. They would put like this oven slash stoves slash heating system in the middle of the house, and then all of the rooms have some access or some heat from there, right? So like fireplace or whatever, and that doesn't matter how much like wood you're going to add. So right, by the morning it would be very cold. Right? Maybe in the, like by the day, by Shabbos day, it would be very cold. So this non-Jew would go to each house, and start the fire. You understand? So it would be like for him, it would be praiseworthy. Of course, people pay him like not pay, but give him a gift, right? So because you're not allowed to hire somebody to do something like for what is forbidden for you. But in this case, since it was the life danger to get sick and to get like that, yeah, to get sick, so it would be allowed. So in this case, yeah, he was doing service for the Jew. He would get a very huge reward. Absolutely, right? Everything in permissible way. Doesn't matter that he got money. Money in this case, it's not right. It's was not the point. It's very interesting. I just remember somebody sent me like clip from a movie. Recent movie, whatever. So, and it was about. So the situation is it's not in the States, in another country. So the situation is there is a Jewish guy, right, in the middle of the winter, and police comes, and like reinforcements of police come, like 5 officers surround him, and like top officers said, so what's going on? And they the other officer, like police officer said, no, this gentleman does not want to move the car. And this rabbi, so he's a rabbi, so he said that I'm a Jew, I'm a leader of this community in the next town. So I came my plane from Tel Aviv like landed late. The Leib is this, the Leib is that, till I got my car. So I thought that I might get it, but it was traffic, this and that. So now the Shabbos starts, it's like sundown. See the sun is almost down, so it is forbidden for me to drive the car. So they say, okay, forbidden to drive the car, but you cannot keep the car here. But he said, okay, but today's Shabbos, and you can toll the car, do whatever you want, and I'm going to pay the ticket on Monday. Whatever, give me the ticket, mail me the ticket. I'm going to pay. They said no, but this, but that. He said, of course, you can force me. Like, but guess what? I'm going to sue you because you will go in against my religious beliefs, right? And I guess what? I'm going to it's going to be like big case, huge case. I'm going to win the case, and you would be embarrassed and maybe lose your job. So everybody like I understand. So a person who does not know like anything, so he was would be amazed. This rabbi and the rabbi, it's like I don't know. There is a snow, and they say in a Celsius, it was in Celsius. They say it's like minus 25. I think it's very, very cold. Very, very cold. And the guy has a hat, like black hat, like ears open and like a light coat. How is it possible? But scarf, no scarf, I don't remember. But basically, no gloves. Like light shoes. He just came from Tel Aviv. Okay, whatever. He thought that he's going to drive. And now the guy says that he's going to... he said, so somebody said, okay, I can drive your car. He said, you can do whatever you want. I'm not telling you what to do. And so far it's good. So far it's kosher. So far it's no problem. He said, I'm not going. So he's going to walk. And then he said, I'm going to walk. How long? And here we go. And here all of the advisors, all of this went down. He said, I'm going to walk 20 kilometers. So 20 kilometers, I don't know, in miles, I don't know, like 16 miles, 15 miles, whatever miles is it. Like, and then he was walking, and the cars were, police was escorting him, whatever. And so a few people got very excited. Look at this rabbi, although they like Jews. I say, you normal? I said, it's kill Hashem what they did. First of all, I said, the guy is going through the forest. You're not allowed to walk. You're not allowed to walk more if you stop in not in the city or something, right? Outside of the city, you're not allowed to walk more than 2,000 amos. 2,000 amos is 0.6 miles, approximately. What is it? 1 kilometer. Period. And plus, it's a life danger. So he could have stayed in the car, right? He could have sit in the car, and somebody would drive him because of the life danger. The guy would open the door. He would get in because it was clear life danger. So, and some people they know some halachas, but if you know halacha, it's looks good, and in a movie that I don't know, it's popular. I don't know. Somebody just send me this 3-minute clip from the movie, but it was absolutely forbidden. So he could have sit in a car, and somebody would non-Jew would drive him. There is no problem whatsoever. Why? Because it's life danger. You understand? And plus, he's not allowed to walk up this way. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, go ahead. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So about this non-Jew issue on Yom Tov, I was wondering, say we have Jewish neighbors and they ask us to go and, I don't know, turn on a fire on Yom Tov or the like, and we are in the process of conversion, would this be okay for us still to do
I'd
it?
say no. Even the technically yes, but better say no. Apologize, explain no. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, you're welcome. Because why, as we explained before, after the conversion, they would forget. And they would ask you after the conversion. So it's better for them to keep in mind that this person is not available, I should get somebody else. And that's it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Next question. Is it permissible to ask a non-Jew instead to turn on light fixtures for Torah study?
We're not allowed to turn lights for Torah study. So the only way is to ask non-Jew. What we can do is only to light a fire. Fire meaning regular fire, like a candle.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So the non-Jew would be only allowed to turn on physical fire, actual fire,
actual light. No, regular fire we can do, but the fire like electric light, we should ask non-Jew.
Yeah, I believe that was what our friend was asking. He said, is it permissible to ask the non-Jew instead to turn on light fixtures for Torah study?
No, instead meaning what does it instead mean? Instead meaning not us, but what is the better? That's how I understood the question. I can light, but instead maybe it's better to ask non-Jew. So I said no, it's not for us. It's forbidden. The only way is to ask non-Jew. I mean that's how I got the question. Maybe it was wrong, but that's how I got it.
Yes, thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.